Here we are. You'll see how everything now opens up. And everything to my left here is what I'm looking for. Something interesting about this boulder in front of me. Okay. That looks interesting. Looks like we've got some writing on this boulder. What does it say? Upon my shore, I can't make this out very well. Upon my shore, you stand, marking a time, a mark in time, okay, this is really interesting. Maybe because it's all a bit weathered. I'm not sure I can make it out properly, but upon my shore you stand, marking time, a mark in time can that is pretty cool, I'll be honest. I just wish I could read it properly. We'll come back to this. In the meantime, we've got the signpost over here, which tells us a bit about the Urkel unconformity.